Hello, my happy littles. Welcome back. Welcome back, my reading superstars. Are you ready for a brand new adventure? Hey, that's a new magnet. That's letter I meeting letter T. And together they make the sound it. It. So that's our next magnet. Let's see what letters our magnet attracts now. That's letter S coming in. S makes the sound S. 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 It. Sit. Faster. Sit. Sit. Sit on the chair. Sit. And who's next? That's letter H. And H makes the sound it. It. Faster. Hit. Hit the ball. Hit. Who's next? And who is this not coming so fast? That's letter F. F makes the sound it. It. Faster. Fit. Fit. Let's fit all the puzzle pieces perfectly in place. Fit. I can see the next letter. That's letter P. And P makes the sound P. 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 It. Pit. Faster. Pit. Pit. Do you know the seed inside the juicy peach is called a pit? Pit. And now it's time to read sentences. Let's go. Sentence 1. See the cat sit. See the cat sit. Now let's do speed reading. See the cat sit. Good job. Sentence 2. The ram can hit. The ram can hit. Speed reading. The ram can hit. And the last sentence. The cap can fit. The cap can fit. Speed reading. The cap can fit. Excellent. Before we go, let's do a quick recap of all the new words. S. It. Sit. H. It. Hit. F. It. Fit. P. It. Pit. Great going, little ones. Keep practicing. It's time to say goodbye.